let's connect the smart lock to the application so we can make it remote unlock. First, we need to download the application. Go to the App Store, or maybe if you are using Android Store, you must go to the Google Play App Store and search Xhome. This is the application name, Xhome. Okay, this is one, Xhome. Download it. Okay, open. So allow, you must choose allow. WL, and cellular. And now select area. And if I'm in China, so I choose China. Chinese mainland, okay. And now save. And you can log in by Google account, Apple account, WeChat account, and I already registered, so I log in my own account.
Please verify the face.
Now I log in. So after you log in, the first thing is you go to your Wi-Fi. Connect the phone to your Wi-Fi. And one more thing is you must make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4G Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi cannot be 5G. The 5G Wi-Fi cannot work with the low. Okay, now touch any device and allow while using app. Choose this, touch, and choose Smart E-Lock, and choose join Wi-Fi by app. Choose this, and touch next, and enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Touch next, and now operate on the smart lock. Touch star and hash key.
Please enter administrator authorization.
Read your finger and administrator finger. You register already.
1. Create new user. 2. Delete user. 3. Wi-Fi settings. 4. System settings. 5. Report query. 6. Factory reset.
3. Wi-Fi setting.
1. Configure Wi-Fi. 2. Delete Wi-Fi.
Press 1. Configure Wi-Fi.
Starting the network.
Starting network.
Find the network.
Now operate on the phone. Touch setting. And now look, there's a Wi-Fi name, Ding Ding, and touch this one, Ding Ding, and it's connected. And now return to the application and touch next and allow.
Operation succeed. 1. Configure Wi-Fi. 2. Delete Wi-Fi.
Press start to return.
1.
Now you can set the name of this lock inside the app. Okay, how to operate? Look, someone pressed the bell. Look, the lock is going to make a phone call to my smartphone.
Please verify.
You accept. Allow. So now we can see the video. The video is from the camera here. We can have a video talk. Hello. Look, I can talk. It's a double-sided talk. And I can unlock from this. I touch this and unlock. And you touch allow. Okay, lock is unlocked by your phone, and you can lock it. And I touch lock. It's locked. You can also accept the photo, make the record video of this camera, and also there's a screen inside. You can see the video outside from the screen. And there's some other functions. go to the setting. You can set it the power setting mode. You can share the log to your friends. How to share? Touch, look here, friends. And you need add friend. Enter your friend's email or phone number. After you enter it, you can touch the share and the friends. You can also share by the QR code. Ask your friend to download the app and register the app, and ask him to use the app to scan this QR code, so your friend can, if someone press a doorbell, your friend can also, or maybe your family member can also see the video and answer the phone call from the log. And anyone pass by from your door, anyone stay for a long time in from your door, the log will take a photo and send to your app. Look here, the photo. And also, if the log is unlocked or locked, it will send a message. Look, this is anyone stay in from the log, it will take photo and send you. And go to the account, go to the settings. You can set the language of the application: English, Francis, German, Italian, Chinese, and Portuguese, Ruski, Espanol, Thailand, and Vietnam.